Hi guys, I'm Tritika.
I'm Zia.
I'm Srishti.
And I'm Sanjana.
And we are Besharam.
All right, guys.
Spoken like a true Sangeet anchor.
No, really. When my brother got married, I was like, 10? And I remember we had choreographed everything. Like, we had a choreographer. We had, like,
Yes.
so many dance numbers, okay? That's the last time I danced because when I saw the video, I was like, I'm never doing that again. I was so bad at it. I have
Yeah.
two left feet. I do not dance. But, in the middle of the song, I don't know why he was just like, whoa, look at that.
Yeah, like they keep adding, like unko footage chahiye.
Yeah,
throughout.
man.
Yeah, like I
need
have
to
one
butt in.
job. I can't just be like, oh, here comes the bride, here comes the groom. We have to add a little bit extra masala.
Yeah.
But I feel like,
Whoa, he just literally went like, what? Like, as if he was like bumping coke. Like, honestly.
the choreography of the dances, like wedding dances, is more serious than the actual ceremony and the
Yes.
actual wedding.
Yes.
That starts 1 month before the actual
Yeah.
wedding. Like the bride
Yeah.
and the groom give zero fucks.
Yeah.
Sare cousins of both sides have assembled, are like brainstorming on what songs to do,
Hmm.
what choreography, if there's supposed to be an act, what is going to be like.
Bole
Haldi
Churiya
Ram.
is constant.
Constant.
Not really anymore.
Sorry.
Oh my god. Sorry.
Okay.
So yeah, it's one of the classics for sure.
Yeah.
Wedding classic for sure.
In my family, I remember it was my cousin, like elder cousins, who was getting married, and she and her fiance had a huge fight because he was not dancing properly, and she
Yes.
was like, "Bitch, what the fuck? What the fuck? You can't fuck my
Right, both
wedding
I
dance."
had a huge fight too when they were choreographing. I was in like a couple of songs and I was the youngest, right? I'm the youngest cousin there is in my family. So they put me in a bunch of songs, but then there was this one song that was supposed to be like for the teen cousins. And I was like, I want to be there. Because of course, you're 10 years old, you find your cousins so cool, right?
Yeah.
And my cousins, they range from like what? At this point, they range from like 19 to 30. Okay,
Fair.
so I find them very cool as a 10-year-old.
Hmm.
So I was like, no, I'll do it. And one of the main choreographers, he was not there that day. And he told me that he will take me in this. And he will give me a chance. And he was not there. And they started practicing for this without me.
Yo.
And I,
Traitor.
when like you're sitting there and you're watching and you're so sad that you can't keep your tears in. I had like itna mota tears in my eyes. I don't know if anyone saw. I just ran up to the house. We had another house like that we had rented because it was a lot of people. So I went back up and I just like went to like a random bed where there were like शादी का घर है मतलब वहाँ पर सब चीजें हो रहे हैं सब
पसेरा है
सब
पूरा.
पसारा है यहाँ पर वहाँ पर and मैं जाकर मैं वहाँ सो गई and I think my dad saw and then he's like क्या हुआ and then I said कुछ नहीं and then he went down and then the other choreographer came and he was like किसने नहीं लिया इसको हाँ and I was like oh that's damn cute
Oh,
but yeah
you
I
were-
had a fight
You were that cousin. We used to hate that cousin. We used to always be like, क्यों आना है भाई इसको हर चीज में? Want
No,
to
yeah
no,
do
you've
if
it."
never
you're
been
the-
the youngest na that's why
Exactly.
And want
If
to-
you're the youngest cousin amongst all,
Yeah.
and there's like 10, 15 of you all, you need to have all
Okay.
the attention.
The thing is, I get it. Like, if there's a point, like, okay, you want to dance, if you can dance very well and then you want to come and do and be a part of everything, okay, understandable. But if you're going to come and ruin one super mega blockbuster crazy ass fucking performance
fair.
that we have planned,
the thing is that there are no rewards for this it's just for fun
Yeah, you want to feel included. And if
and,
you
and
that,
as like the youngest I really
See,
wanted that
you can't participate in any other like any other ritual of the wedding.
yeah
If I can get an opportunity to be in the dance,
Hmm.
and if you're rejected from there also,
yeah
like I'm pretty sure it's like heartbreaking, bro.
For
it was
sure.
very heartbreaking for me and all I wanted to be was like seen with my cooler cousins
Yeah.
that's all I wanted
Man, I am so envious of you guys when it comes to weddings because Catholic weddings, I don't care. They're so boring.
Yep.
It's just the main day unless
but
you
they're
have
so
ceremonies.
aesthetically pleasing
They are, because
they're very
that's more-
beautiful.
I mean, from the Western side,
It's very nonchalant.
it's very nonchalant. It's very like prim and proper.
Yes.
There's the whole Indian wedding, big Indian wedding thing doesn't fit to a Catholic wedding. But yeah, I mean, our weddings are very like it's a one day thing first of all, unless there's like a roast ceremony, which is a ceremony done before the wedding, and
they roast each other
roast ROCE.
roast.
Yeah,
It's
it's like
so
haldi.
it's like,
I was like, that will be damn fun, yeah. if the family is like roasting each other, like
Yeah, no,
सास
that would be
ससुरे का हो गया झगड़ा
Yeah.
शादी से पहले.
Yeah, like
वो तो होता ही.
they've all gotten drunk and they're like,
yeah, but that happens. Getting drunk happens, and then it's like a Catholic haldi.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you had to compare it to a
okay,
Hindu
okay.
ceremony.
Yeah.
But yeah, I feel our weddings are very boring.
Hmm.
Like you have the church thingy, and then you come to the reception, which is
Yeah.
welcome in the bride and groom, Mr. and Mrs. D'Souza.
So y'all also have that weird guy.
yeah, dude.
Everyone has that weird
Everyone
guy.
has that.
It's that one bald uncle who's over enthusiastic.
Yeah, man. Nobody cares enough.
Yeah, and he'll want to pull everyone and he's like, "Arey bro, I don't see."
He's literally the third or the fourth relative.
yeah,
and he's acting as if usi की शादी है.
हाँ.
उसका बेटा भी नहीं है. उसी
Yeah.
की शादी है
bro,
वापस.
it's like, bro, it's it's such a weird thing because it feels like you're in the classroom and you're like, "Arey, don't pick me, ma'am, don't pick me." And then this guy is that teacher. He's like, "Bro, don't pick me to like say something about the bride or groom or like participate in like the wedding march."
What
Wedding
are
march
you
everyone
saying?
people do, but
Like, dude, what are you saying? Like, both of my elder brothers, they're my first cousins. They got married in a span of 3 years, I think. Yeah, like my older brother got married 3 years ago, and uska chota bhai got married like what in the month of Jan. And I would love when they picked me as like
yeah.
like there's a dance competition for the haldi, and they like pick me. Like I would love to
Yeah,
have the
That's
attention.
very fair. I'm talking about when you get invited from your friends, your dad's friends, son's wedding.
You don't go to those.
I don't.
I-
I never.
आजकल
got-
इनवाइट
What
नहीं
do you
करते भाई
say?
दो लोग
I-
बस
If there's a wedding like this, I will only go for the food and to meet people.
guys.
Why? That's the
what?
whole point of weddings, meeting people. That's the worst.
Meeting cool people, like meeting guys.
There are
Not-
no
not-
cool people.
Not relatives and stuff. I don't know about the weddings that you go to, but whenever I go to weddings, I find cool people. So
See, the thing is that I haven't attended a wedding in last 5-6 years
Yeah, that's
Wow.
like
Because-
the weirdest thing that you've done.
because
sad.
all the weddings that are like happening, I'm not those close to them. Even though I do get invited, but then I don't feel like going. I genuinely I don't like if it's like wedding of someone who's not
Mhm.
that close to me. I absolutely love weddings. But the thing is that if I'm not that closely related to the person, then I'm going to feel like out of place. Like everyone's going to have their own thing to do and everything. I'm just going there for food, and I'm like,
but I feel like the food, a wedding is defined by the food.
for
Yeah.
sure.
And I haven't had good wedding food in years.
Yes,
you should have
I
come to my
know.
brother's.
bro,
You should have come to my brother's wedding. The food was so good. I still think about it 11 years.
So
Yeah,
the
I feel like
thing-
food can really make or break a wedding.
Yeah, for
yeah.
sure.
In our family, the last wedding that I attended, that was my elder cousin brother's. In his wedding, it was like a full ass discussion, and one relative from our side of the family gets up, and she's like very Maharashtrian pro, okay? And it was like a South Indian and Maharashtrian wedding. The girl was South Indian, and then she gets up and she's like, पंजाबी क्यों रखने का, या फिर पंजाबी खाना क्यों रखने का, या फिर चाइनीज खाना क्यों रखने का. चाइनीज लोग रखते हैं क्या उनके शादी में अपना बटाटे का सब्जी और लोणचं. So then we were all laughing, but ultimately the food was beautiful. They didn't
Yeah.
keep Punjabi or Chinese, they kept Italian. It was amazing.
yeah, even we have
Italian rakhte hai aloo ki bhaji.
So in my brother's wedding, one night function, the Sangeet had there was Thai food, and I think the second night, like the wedding was sort of a sundowner wedding. तो शादी खत्म होते होते थोड़ा लेट हो जाता है, बारात ये वो
Yeah.
लेट हो ही जाते हैं, और तुम तो घर वाले तो तुमको तो रुकना ही है झक मार के. तो तभी there was Italian, there was like good desi खाना, like मकेदी सब्जी, what is it, सरसों दा साग मकेदी, because ठंडी थी वहाँ पर जैन में. It was such a vibe. गरम गरम रोटी आ रही है और तुम सब्जी के साथ खा रहे हो.
Yum. See, you
Too
know,
good.
this is
like
yeah.
This is
one of the reasons why I want to have an intercaste marriage, just to experience the traditions and that period of like
Right.
from the start to the end. It's not just a one day thing, and I want to go through all of
Yeah.
that, like have different
You have
outfits.
3 weddings already.
Yeah.
Yes, like have
I'm not doing intercaste.
but it's still non-Catholic, na?
But that's what I was getting at. in like I don't know what has gone wrong. Everyone talks about Muslim weddings. I know this is like a big thing, like you know they have like a lot of like non-veg or whatever. I don't know why you guys like that so much, but like recently they started this business where you just sit on a table. So like if there's like 6 people, right, 6 people make up a table, and then they all give
Yeah.
you plates,
Yeah.
and then like all of the stuff just like comes to you.
Yeah.
So the starter you can't repeat it.
You can't
can-
be like,
Yeah,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
it's
minute.
all set. So you know, like you when you go to a wedding, you know you know that seek will be there. You know
Cutlet,
that
that
one
cheese.
thing will come in the foil, and you'll have to eat. Then one gravy will come with naan, and I'm so sick of it. And then there'll be a biryani, and if the biryani is a miss, you just
What's the
go
point?
out with such a bad mood.
Yeah, for
like
sure.
a horrible mood.
right? And then like
And most biryani is bad now.
yes, and then the dessert will also not help.
The dessert is kulfi.
That's
Circle
bad.
kulfi.
The circle kulfi that you're gonna have to sit there while someone hovering over you, being like, "Madam, ho gaya to uth jao na. Madam, ho gaya to uth jao na." And you are sitting there with that kulfi. You're like, do you have a hammer?
काटना है आ रहा है आ रही है क्या काटना है?
Yeah.
I swear, bro, you're in the middle of like your table, and like everyone's eating like a nice civil person, and you're just there like, टूट क्यों नहीं रहा है?
और
I have
इतना
never-
प्रेशर लगाने के बाद इतू सा पीस टूटता है.
Yeah, and you
I
never
have-
end up eating it.
क्या करूँ मैं?
I think I have anxiety of all this. That's why I skip weddings. Like if they're not close, I can't. I can't. So there was this one time so when it comes to like Maharashtrian weddings, no, there are a lot of rituals and everything.
yeah.
Almost all the weddings have.
Yeah.
So in Haldi, our Haldis are pretty crazy too. Like fucked up crazy. Where all like people are drunk, they are dancing. There'll be this one
Wow.
uncle who won't be drinking, but he'll dance like it's his wedding only.
Love,
Yeah.
love
He's
the
going to
energy
be
he
on the
brings.
floor. He's going to be everywhere.
Yeah.
He's going to make everyone drink. So during Haldis, the thing is that once you put haldi on the guy, तो उसके ऊपर की थोड़ी सी हल्दी रख के वो लड़की के घर पे भेजनी होती है. फिर वो लड़के की हल्दी जब लड़की लगाती है, उसके बाद उसको लड़कियों का हल्दी वाला प्रोग्राम चालू होता है. और एक बार और
That's why
हमारे
लड़कों की हमेशा मॉर्निंग में होती है.
हाँ मॉर्निंग या फिर आफ्टरनून में चालू
हाँ.
होता है. बट माय फैमिली सब हम ऐसे आराम से कर लेंगे, देख लेंगे, हो रहा है
अच्छा
होने दो.
ये this is running in the blood. I thought it was just you.
Totally in the blood. So then we were all like आराम से करेंगे, देखेंगे. हम लोग ने चालू ही हल्दी की हम लोग ने 8:30 बजे at the night. 8:30 बजे चालू की, तो उसमें भी अपनी अपनी बकचोदी चालू है. इधर एक ग्रूम रह गया साइड में, हम लोग एक दूसरे को लगा रहे हैं, हम लोग मस्ती कर रहे हैं. फिर एक पॉइंट पे he was sitting there and he was like, भाई मुझे लगा दो, मुझे कर दो,
मेरी शादी है.
मेरी शादी है. Then we were like, हाँ दे देते इसको थोड़ा सा.
That happened to Asim also, and it is on a wedding video. Like everyone is there playing with water, and Asim is like,
Yes.
Yeah, and then we put it for him and everything, and we kept the haldi and we forgot about it. We didn't send it to them.
Oh shit.
and they were just waiting.
They
No,
called us. They
हाँ.
called us, but then we were like, हाँ भेजा है किसी को. और हम लोग बोल रहे जाओ हल्दी लेके, but the DJ is playing so many bangers. No one is fucking ready to leave.
Oh,
They're all
Definitely.
standing and dancing over there. हम लोग की हल्दी मतलब हल्दी उतारने की उसकी सेरेमनी वगैरह हो गई थी 10:30 तक. 12:30 तक वो लड़की वैसे ही बैठी थी बेचारी.
Oh no.
Our haldi is very different. So like we don't have a haldi ceremony as such, but abhi since destination wedding hai, तो you like there's a function called haldi. But like पुराने ज़माने में जब हमारे rituals were very simple and like very
Yeah.
basic and very घरेलू, we didn't have a function called haldi. It was called PT. So the like that's the name of it, PT. So and that function is when शादी का like actual like the wedding process, the wedding rituals and functions start. That's the first day.
Okay.
उसमें मतलब गणपति भगवान की पूजा होती है. घर में like you call women and like you invite them. और
Understood.
फिर so 2 women related to the groom or like the bride, whatever, it's the same both sides, and it's compulsory for the bride and the groom to sit at the same time, same day for this PT function.
Okay.
Same time और same दिन पे बैठना जरूरी है. हमारे में.
You said PT. I was like, PT?
And I'm doing this also.
PT sir.
And तो मतलब थोड़ी पहले पूजा वगैरह होती है
हाँ.
एंड फिर पीटी चढ़ती है. तो हमारे में मतलब हल्दी हमारे में ही नहीं कहती कि हल्दी लग रही है, हमारे में कहते हैं हल्दी चढ़ रही है. तो
हाँ.
वो फंक्शन इज द फर्स्ट डे जब हल्दी लग रही है. तो यू गो फ्रॉम टॉप टू बॉटम, यू गो फ्रॉम बॉटम टू टॉप, जिससे चढ़ रही है.
Oh.
So you start with the
Feet,
foot, the knee,
knee,
the arms,
arms,
the hands,
yeah,
shoulders, and then the
shoulders.
face.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then on the day of the wedding, like
Hmm.
if the wedding is for example in the morning or whenever, उसके पहले before the bride sits to get ready, puts on her lehenga and everything, पीटी उतरती है, हल्दी उतरती है. तो the same two women who put the haldi first on top are the only two, like the first two women to remove the haldi also.
Yeah.
So then it goes top to bottom, and you're supposed to wear the same clothes that you wore while the haldi was
ये हम
happening in
लोग
the
में भी
first
होता है.
place.
हम लोग में भी
हाँ.
होता है.
So
And then in that function, like, so for example, it's my wedding and you're my sister. तो मतलब ऐसे कहते हैं, मतलब पाठ, like it's a small stool. उस पे
Yeah.
bride और groom को बिठाते हैं.
हाँ.
तो जब हल्दी वगैरह लग जाती है, you've had your haldi function, like tearing the clothes or whatever, that's happening at home also.
Yeah.
Like, it's
Yeah,
crazy.
Yeah.
And फिर like you're my sister, तो तू मुझे उठाएगी ना कि अभी since this is the first
उठा
function,
लूंगी भाई,
हाँ.
उठा लूंगी.
तो हम हाथ में कुछ like you take silver in your hand and you say something, मुझे नहीं पता वो, and there's this line that the pandit ji asks you to repeat, and then you hit the bride or the groom, like hit as in you like
हाँ, समझा.
दो तीन बार, and हाँ like that, like twice or thrice. हाँ,
हो गई
like
तेरी
that,
शादी.
पीछे और फिर
शादी
उसको
मुबारक.
उनको पकड़ के उठाया जाता है कि अब मैं तुझे शादी करने के लिए उठा रहा हूँ, for both the sides. So पहले क्या होता था कि सिर्फ भाई करते थे ये,
हाँ.
मतलब अगर बहन भी है तो अगर अगर जैसे मेरी बड़ी बहन है, मेरा भाई नहीं है, तो मेरा कजिन भाई करता. बट अभी आई एम लाइक, सुनो भाई, मेरी एक ही बहन है, उसकी शादी एक ही बार होगी, तो उसको तो मैंने ही करना है, जिसको जो बोलना है बोलो. एंड अभी इट्स लाइक भाई बहन दोनों करते हैं,
Yeah.
लाइक
So now it's not restricted to one specific
yeah.
person, like whoever you
हाँ.
want to.
तो अभी जब मेरी भाई की भी शादी हुई थी जैन में, तब पहले तो मतलब उनके सगे, मतलब मेरे बड़े भाई ने की थी, फिर बाकी हम उसके बाद हम सब ने अपने हाथ में ले लेके जो मारा है मेरे भाई को, मतलब इट वाज सो मच
Birthday
फन.
bumps ही हुए ना ये.
हाँ, शादी बम्स.
हाँ.
This is शादी bumps.
my
Same
God.
equivalent. And then they wake up as in sorry.
वो सोए हुए होते हैं पूरा टाइम.
फिर
Actually.
वो उठते,
Yeah.
फिर नहा कर आते,
हाँ.
फिर नए कपड़े पहनते, घर के मंदिर में
वही जो
पूजा
पूजा
करते
करते
rituals.
हैं.
मंदिर जाएंगे, घर आएंगे, फिर
हाँ.
that's when the function's over. और उसके बाद ही मेहंदी लगती है.
तो तुम लोगों के यहाँ पर कैसे पीठी होती है,
पीठी.
हमारे यहाँ पे चिक्सा होता है. जो मुस्लिम्स में हल्दी होती ही नहीं है एक्चुअली. इनफैक्ट इट इज लुक डाउन अपॉन,
Okay.
क्योंकि लाइक इन फॉर अस लाइक द सिंपलर द वेडिंग द बेटर इट इज.
Okay.
जो होता नहीं है, लेकिन सिंस हम कोकनी ऑल्सो, वहाँ पर वो एरिया में चिक्सा बोलते हैं इसको. इसमें हल्दी होती ही नहीं है, वो मिश्रण में हल्दी होती ही नहीं है.
Okay.
बस वो लगाना होता है. ऐसी
What
मजे.
is it made of though?
I have no clue. Like
Okay.
nothing that happens in a wedding का घर. I have no clue. वो लगाते हैं और बस it's like a holy function.
Yes.
It's because वो पानी डालने के लिए ही वो function बना है. और
Yeah.
फिर उसके बाद है ना, जब सब गीले होता है,
Hmm.
तभी एक डिश बनती है, उसको गोड़ बोलते हैं.
Hmm.
तूने खाया है कभी? गोड़ इट्स लाइक थिक होता है कुछ तो, राइस और कोई आई डोंट नो किस चीज का बना होता है, बट इट्स गुड़ का बना होता है शायद.
Hmm.
And it's just like a soup thing and it's sweet, but I've never had the balls to try
It's
it.
like kheer.
Yeah.
Kind of looks like kheer.
It has rice, it has doodh, it
हाँ,
has
हाँ, हाँ,
gold.
वही.
Bro, I love that
We
shit.
have
I hate it. मेरा कभी मेरी हिम्मत ही नहीं बनी वो ट्राई करने का. मुझे स्मेल से ही कुछ होता है
So,
उसके.
Beautiful.
the same thing
Yummy.
is made in my mom's family, but
हाँ.
that's not done.
She's from the south, na? That's why.
Yes, but
Yeah.
it's not restricted to a wedding thing. It's like a
Yeah, it's
prasad.
like a
Delicacy.
it's like a dish, sweet
paisam.
dish.
Yeah, it's like a rice
Yeah, you can
paisam.
compare it to a
Yes.
payasam.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, got it.
So
I've had it.
When there's a good occasion or something
Yes,
in the house,
yes.
we make it.
Correct.
I hate the smell of it so
I love
much.
it.
And
I
it just
love
smells
it.
like
Yummy.
chiksa to me.
That
That's
is-
what it smells
I've
like.
always had that after a very heavy like meal, and
Huh.
it's always been like an addition to an already full stomach.
Yeah, yeah.
And
So
it's
that's why, yeah, it's like मिश्रण बन जाता है
हाँ.
उसमें. So I've never had like a fond memory of it, but I'm also not averted to
So
it.
हम लोग के यहाँ पे हल्दी रखते हैं ना, तो हम लोग पहले शादी का डेट तो आता है, उसके 2 दिन पहले हल्दी रखते हैं मोस्टली, बिकॉज इफ यू कीप हल्दी राइट बिफोर द वेडिंग, तो सुबह में यू विल सी द ब्राइड एंड ग्रूम लाइक डोजिंग ऑफ इन द वेडिंग.
Yeah.
And that has happened to a lot of the people from my family. So every time we have haldi, like 2 दिन पहले रखनी है, सब
Yeah.
दारू पीते हैं, सब भंड होते हैं, कोई नहीं आता सुबह काम करने.
Yeah.
चुपचाप से सो जाएंगे
yeah.
अगले दिन.
But like even if I were very like drunk or whatever at a ghar ka shadi, I would still wake up the next morning
You're
early
doing at
just
ghar
to
ka
be.
shadis?
I would.
If I would, I said.
But you know,
Fuck you.
I feel as fun and as chaotic weddings like are, I feel like there should be, you know, the day of the wedding should be like a little calmer so that everyone's having fun. Okay, there's a different kind of fun in it being very chaotic and stuff.
Yeah.
But I feel like the entire attention is just taken away from the main characters of the wedding. who are the bride
The
and
wedding
groom.
in Indian wedding
It's
is never about the bride and
It's
groom.
never. It's never about
yes,
that. It's about the
it's-
outfits. It's about the venue. It's about the food.
Bitch,
Yeah.
why are the outfits so fucking expensive?
and heavy.
Relatives.
Why? No, this is insane. Because when we were shopping for my brother's wedding in 2013, there were bridal lehengas that were even like a lakh. Where
Yeah.
like
Lakh is-
now a lakh is like
nothing.
you are getting
Absolutely
something
nothing.
to wear at home.
Yes.
Yeah.
Blouse मिलेगा तुझे.
ब्लाउज का कपड़ा मिलेगा, वो
पल्लू.
दुपट्टा मिल जाएगा
दुपट्टा
भाई.
मिल जाएगा भाई, लाख में क्या हो
Crazy.
why are we doing this?
Yeah,
That's
and
fucking
to
crazy.
think that you're only going to use it once.
Some people repeat.
Yeah.
I mean, at least for me, you can't wear a white
White,
gown
yeah.
on another occasion.
Ha.
But yeah, that's what I
No,
mean.
but I don't
No.
mind spending so much on that.
yeah,
wedding.
see,
For
Fine,
your
see,
own wedding
that's-
dress, I don't mind.
see,
Yeah.
See, that's
even
the
I would.
thing. I have. That's why I do not want my wedding to be about something else or somebody else or some excuse for some.
I don't
Another
even want it to
relative.
be about my husband.
Yeah. It's
Yeah, of
It's my
course,
wedding.
It's my fucking wedding.
Like you can rule the marriage part. No, don't. Actually, no. This is a misconception. Marriage also I will rule. Wedding also I will rule.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. The thing is that I have always had this idea since I was a child that I want my wedding to be a certain way. I have decided the venue, the flowers, the different venues for different occasions, the number of people that will be attending my wedding.
Hope we made the cut.
Then after that, I have designers ready for each occasion.
Yes.
Okay.
And
So what are you wearing for your mehndi?
not revealing.
Okay.
I'll say
We'll
off
do this off
camera.
camera.
Moment.
We'll do this
Yeah.
off camera.
Maybe
Yeah.
a
Okay,
moment.
okay.
I think I'm more
I want
excited
to-
about your wedding than you are.
But
Yeah,
what
I want
color?
to gatekeep
So I
everything.
asked this question to them in another episode also. I'll ask again. But what color is your wedding lehenga?
It's maroon and brown and with golden
Maroon and
embroidery.
brown. Okay.
Yeah.
love.
But you can't wear a lehenga, right? You're supposed to wear the Nawari sari.
That is for the wedding in the morning.
That's for fere.
and this
na?
is for like reception. Yeah. That's
Oh,
for fere.
okay.
Huh.
Okay.
The reception. You guys know I want like a
Red.
proper red
Yes.
with like velvet accents and little like flower ka kaam which can be blue or like pink or something.
Yes.
Yeah, mine is
I want
like-
an ivory.
Mine is maroon with like deep, rich golden and emerald embroidery
I see
and
that.
stuff on it.
I think I also want like a deep red, like a deep.
Your
I
answer
say that on
changed.
you.
That is
said gown, na?
that is if a Catholic wedding, then of course a white gown. I don't have an option. I don't want to be one of those brides. No offense, actually full offense. Who wear colorful gowns? No,
I think there's something
Colourful
about the white
gowns.
gown in a Catholic wedding. that is
Yeah.
So elegant.
I
want
need
it
a
to
ball
be-
gown.
I don't want a ball gown.
No.
But I think if I ever marry outside my religion, it'll be like a deep red, like almost like you said, something very dark.
Yeah.
But another side me also sees me wearing something like ivory.
I love ivory.
Hot take, but a bride like an Indian bride should not wear anything other than red or something that is like kind of like
I
red.
don't mind pink also.
Like a pinkish
Pink's
peach.
cute.
No,
I like that.
no, you're a bride. You wear red. Otherwise, you're just
Let
gonna look
her
like the bride.
decide.
No, but then you're gonna look like the bride's sister.
No.
Yeah, I
don't
feel like
think so.
you should look like the hottest person on your wedding.
For
should
sure.
you should. No one else should take away that.
No,
as
I
a-
don't
Yeah,
mind
bro.
even looking like a hanger. Like I want to be dolled the fuck up.
Yes.
Mm,
But like
No,
as
I
you
want
said,
very subtle makeup. My makeup artists are also decided by the
Wow.
way.
Arre bhai.
My flowers, which color, what flowers at what places, everything. So guys, I have this little book which is like my wedding book, and I have the songs decided, what songs that I'll be playing when I'm walking down the entrance.
So that's a
My
running
Bidai
list, right?
song.
So you add songs to it.
No, it's fixed.
it's set in stone now.
When
set
did you
in
make this
stone.
list?
4-5 years back. The list was
Oh, okay.
The list is being updated. This song once I heard 4 years back, and I
Uh-huh.
was like, I am not changing anything. I love this song. This song has to be in it. It's not a Maharashtrian song.
Oh,
So you can't do it. So it's bad. You
No,
can
it's
do it. na?
beautiful. So
Yeah.
what?
It's a South Indian.
Yeah, I think I made you hear it.
Like
I
just
know.
like you said, you have your entire wedding planned. I have my older sister's entire wedding in my head. Like I know what she has to wear. Like for like it is so like stuck in my head ki I don't care what she wants. You know, but like I will have to take a step back and be like, this is your wedding. You need to think this through. But like when it comes to the venues, of course, whatever is
Logistically,
yeah,
better.
logistically better. We're gonna go with that. But like our outfits, her and my Jiju's Sangeet song, her and our family song, हमारा दोनों का गाना, उसका outfit, makeup, hair, jewelry, XYZ. I have her wedding planned almost to the T.
Yeah.
And every time I bring up the subject of तेरी शादी कब कर रही है, तू शादी कब कर रही है, because I've been bugging her to get. I don't mean it, of course. Like the delay, जितना delay होगा मुझे उतना मजा आएगा to trouble her and shit. But like I keep always like irritating her with the statement कि तू शादी कब कर रही है यार, अब तू 25 की हो गई, अब 24 की हो गई, अब 23 की हो गई. मैं उसको 21 साल से बोल रही हूँ
I have
कि भाई
It's
शादी कर ले, अब तू बहुत बड़ी हो
no,
चुकी
but
है.
it's something so personal about like your sister's, like the thought of your sister getting married.
Right.
I thought
Oh
of
my
a sibling
God.
getting married. Is
I have told Adi what he should be gifting me at my wedding.
Arre baap.
Very clearly. Yeah, see, I don't want a
Same.
wedding gift that I won't be able to use.
Fair.
Same,
For that
same.
matter, any gift.
Yeah.
Same.
I know I'm going to get a lot of food processors and shit at my fucking reception.
Bro, that's so
I
true.
don't-
After the wedding, you're just the 8th mixer. Got it.
बहनचोद मेरी शादी है, मेरे घर की नहीं है, तो मेरे को दे दो गिफ्ट.
किचन सेट तो मतलब
माँ
कमी नहीं
छोड़
होगी.
दूंगी भाई.
मैं इसको
मम्मा
किचन
का-
सेट दूंगी
But
भाई.
if I get the small kitchen set,
The
That's
play
what
kitchen
I
set, the
want.
play
The person
kitchen
was
set.
the person ate.
that person
Mm.
will get everything that I would.
I can't wait for my sisters to get married because
Hmm.
I know for a fact how hot I'm gonna look.
Yes.
I'm gonna look so hot.
Yes, I see it already.
And because there, when my sister is getting married,
Hmm.
okay, any of mine, like even my cousin,
Hmm.
when they are getting married, okay, nobody's gonna tell me I'm overdressed.
Nobody.
Nobody will tell me that.
The one who
दूल्हे
says
की
is out.
बहन- दूल्हे की बहन has the right to look the hottest.
Yeah.
yeah.
और लास्ट टाइम जब ये हुआ था मैं 10 साल की थी तो मुझे पता नहीं था हॉट क्या था. ब्रो, शादी में औरतें ही इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं.
Yeah. But I kind of don't like it कि भाई मेरी शादी है, ऊपर से तू नाटक कर रही है, मैं आऊँ तुझे मनाने.
तुझे कोई नहीं मनाएगा, ठीक है.
मैं मेरी शादी में आने ही वाली
नहीं,
हूँ.
दीपिका तू उसको कुछ नहीं देना.
Done.
उसको
मेरी शादी में तू भी रिन्यू कर सकती है.
एग्जैक्टली.
अरे वाह.
तुम लोग भी कर सकते हो ये.
फिर sorted है.
तू चुप हो जा, अभी तुझे नहीं पसंद था ना.
तुम लोग भी कर सकते हो. Like if you're very close, like
Hmm.
best friends, बचपन से साथ में वो भी कर सकते हैं.
But
ऐसा हुआ है तेरे यहाँ पर कोई फ्रेंड वेंड ने किया है?
नहीं नहीं नहीं.
नहीं, हम
We'll be
करेंगे.
the first one. I'll be the first one.
you know, this is also very like irritating to me. Where, especially this happens with old people, okay?
Hmm.
And they're like, oh, you know, they invited us, so even we have to invite them.
No,
I
you don't.
I hate when
What's
people say
worse?
That's
that.
why I avoid going only. Now
What's
you
worse
get invited.
is तुम नहीं जाओगे तो वो भी नहीं आएंगे. चले
जाएगा.
क्यों? मत आओ.
I
Don't
literally, you know, I've never fantasized about having a big fat wedding
No.
with
Me
like
neither.
100, 200 people.
Me neither.
I want a small.
100, 200.
That's
Bro, there's
less.
at least 1,000.
Okay. Like not with
Have you
so
heard
many.
my list?
100 to
But
100 is
I-
fine.
Okay, your list is over 1,000.
I,
No, it's not more than 150.
हाँ, but
Yeah.
like
Are we
usually
in?
it's like
Are we
The
in that?
wedding is- of
150.
course, of course. The 150 में से
Wow.
150 में से almost 90 will be my side. बचे कुछ हो
अरे यार, that's
भाई ये
It's a
गलत
little
है,
sad.
गलत है.
तो खुद से
little
एक काम कर, सोची खुद से ही शादी कर ले,
हाँ.
फिर सारे 150 तेरे ही गेस्ट होंगे, फिर तू मजे कर.
I wish I could do that.
But you can do that.
I think
Nice.
a small intimate wedding is so nice because
I
you
love
don't
it.
have to you don't have to deal with the unwanted relatives. You don't have to deal with like
And that constant
the chow
bitching.
chow.
Yeah.
You just
Chow chow was personal.
at the end of the day, it's your wedding. It's your and your partner's day.
Yes.
And if you're
Yeah.
surrounded with people you love, you're having the food you love. Like the music is great. What more do you need?
Bro,
Yeah,
I-
there was a good like mixture of like a Western type of wedding and a proper Indian wedding, which my cousin who just got married, she lives in the US. They got married in the US. The guy was also Indian from Bombay, but you know whoever lived there came, and whoever got the visa went.
Sorry.
My parents went, and bro, it looked like from the videos and everything, like one of the video, like the Mehndi video is like uploaded on the photographer's YouTube,
Right.
and my parents like keep rewatching it because it was so small, so intimate. Everyone performed it.
I love
like
that.
they told me once they came back, every function everybody danced, which never happens in my
Right.
family. And I was like, "What, you danced?" And then they were like, yeah, because it was like they were not going for very traditional, but they were not going for very like rigid also. So it was like a great mixture, and it was fucking beautiful from the pictures and the videos that I've seen. Like aesthetically pleasing. Everyone had to wear pastel colors. Papa
I
still
love-
calls it pasta color.
But see, that's the thing, right? Each guest also feels valued at that wedding
Right.
because
Yeah.
you have the time, the energy to pay attention and give your
Exactly.
attention to each
Exactly.
guest.
Yeah.
Because you want them there.
Fair.
You're just not obligated to call them because your parents want them.
Exactly. And
So-
all four of us, I think, have this one point in common where we want an intimate wedding.
तो टेक्नीशियन और प्लम्बर क्यों आ रहा है शादी में?
And
Yeah.
the kids.
And the kids also coming.
My dad was like, listen, if you want to, like, I've genuinely had this conversation with my parents multiple times because I really do not want them at this point of time, because my dad has a lot of friends
Right.
and he knows a lot of people. So then he's always been like, it was my 18th birthday
Oh
and
my
he
God.
wanted to call
I remember.
his, I think 32 or 35 friends. I was like, Papa, मेरे 15 दोस्त आ रहे हैं. मेरा birthday, मेरा
And we
18th
made the cut.
it is my 18th birthday. And then I had a fight with him, like, you can't do this. Then at that point I told him, listen, when I'm going to have a wedding, I want very few people. That I was just joking when I said that 90 should be mine. 150 guests hai, so of course his family will also come. I just want my first close family, not even the extended ones
Same.
and everything. Like, genuinely, I love
take.
them. Good people,
Yeah.
nice people.
Fair.
Yeah.
But I don't want someone who I don't have like a personal connection with. Like, I don't have some stories for them. They don't have any stories for me.
Yeah.
I don't.
We don't realize how many of our relatives are strangers.
Exactly.
Dude, or
I don't
with
know
a-
I don't know the names.
With a
bro.
big family.
I literally sometimes
I don't know how
know.
I'm related to them.
I
Yeah,
don't
fair,
want
fair.
to be at the fucking stage and be like, भाई ये कौन है?
Exactly.
तेरा है, मेरा है, क्या है? किसका
इतना
है?
बड़ा फैमिली है, उनको तुम्हारा नाम नहीं पता है भाई.
तेरे
Yeah.
प्लेट का मैं क्यों भरूं?
But then, do you know when like you approach them to take a picture on the stage at the reception, and then if like you're from the groom side, the groom will be like, "This is my."
Yeah. I
मैं तो
get
मैं
that.
blank, मैं
I
blank,
get that.
मैं blank.
इतनी बड़ी फैमिली है, मुझे खुद नहीं पता ये मेरे क्या लगते हैं.
मैं मेरे
Same.
groom को पूछूंगी ये कौन है बताओ.
गेस करो.
Guess
तो
करो.
बोलो, वो सही है.
हम लोग के यहाँ पे वैसा रिसेप्शन पे कोई ना कोई पीछे खड़ा रहता है, तो वो ऐसा बता देते हैं. वो वाला
ये
है.
चाचा की मामा की बिल्ली है.
ये वो वाला है. ये
Second wife.
ये अपने बुआ के पति के ऑफिस में उनके बहुत अच्छे दोस्त हैं.
हाँ भाई.
ऑफिस के दोस्त
भाई
Office
क्रेजी
के
है.
दोस्त के कुत्ते का दोस्त.
कोई भी किसी के भी शादी में चला जाता है.
एक फ्री प्लेट के लिए क्या करेंगे लोग?
कुछ
क्या
भी
क्या करेंगे वही तो बट वही तुम पकड़ा रहे हो ना पैसे हाथ में उसी से बाहर जाकर खा लो I don't understand.
I had a question for you all. Like, in your weddings, is there any one specific thing that you all want to have which is out of the ordinary? Like a cool thing for
मैंने
your
नहीं
wedding?
सोचा है
I
अपनी
have
शादी
it,
के
but I'm
बारे
not
में.
gonna say it again on the camera.
I
don't know.
really
तो आई
haven't.
क्यों यहाँ पे
देख मैं सब कुछ बता दूंगी ना तो मेरे को तो शादी में 8-9 साल है
अब
तब
तक कुछ नहीं बताया तूने
मैंने कोई भी मेरे आउटफिट का डिजाइनर नहीं बताया मैंने वेन्यू भी नहीं बताया मैंने कुछ नहीं बोला है
फ्लावर नहीं बताया तूने
फ्लावर भी नहीं बताया
मेकअप आर्टिस्ट नहीं
Exactly,
बताया.
भाई
artist
तूने
ने।
कुछ नहीं बताया मैं पूछ रही हूँ तू आई क्यों है
Just give an overview vibe. Like, what's the vibe of your wedding that you're looking
So
for?
the place that so first so the I'm gonna have a very 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 Maharashtrian wedding like the actual Varmala ceremony that's going to be no not the Varmala ceremony the first
Fera.
kriyas feras
Okay.
the first feras and what do you say the Mangal Sutra ceremony that's going to be very Maharashtrian
Okay.
and the garland ceremony that's going to be very like lehenga North Indian type
Yeah.
Yeah,
That is how I
mine
want
is
it to
also
be.
like I think it's quite obscure. Like I don't know if you guys will like agree with it or like it. I mean, you guys are invited, but still, like
Oh, thank you for
Bakre,
clarifying that.
please don't call me to a naked wedding
no. It's just once groom is not going to be present.
Okay.
He's-
Oh, acha, lovely.
अकेली शादी कर रही है
I love
अभी
that.
तक तो कुछ आसान
मेरे
नहीं
को
लग
मजा
रहा
आ
है
रहा है. मेरे को
I love
मजा आएगा.
that.
है ना
मेरे को
But
मजा आएगा.
I don't know. Like I said, having an intimate wedding is something that I've always like dreamed of. But then I don't know. I want to have cameras put on each table of my wedding, or just hand it to
like
my
a
guests,
digicam.
like a digicam for them to record there. And I know this is not an original experience. I've seen
Yeah.
this on Instagram, and I
And
found
friends.
it really, really cool.
There's an app that does that for you. Like it'll let you take 15 pictures. Each guest just looks at like just puts the QR. You don't have to download anything. Like
Okay.
and they can only or each guest can take only 15 pictures and then you can they don't develop until the next morning.
Yeah.
And it's like a digicam.
Exactly, because that's so cute. I mean, of course, it's about me and my partner, but I also want to see how my guests are having fun.
Right.
ये सब नहीं करने का.
I genuinely want to see that, so that it's a different set of memories
Yeah.
to look back at,
Yeah.
apart from the actual ceremony of your wedding,
Yeah.
to also see how your guests have
Right.
experienced your day.
This is, I don't know how much of this is going to be possible or not, but when I'm taking the feras, I want all of my guests to like surround the mandap and like collectively throw flowers. Like,
होता है ना ऐसा
हाँ,
मूवीज में
अरे
देखा
अभी
मैंने.
क्या है, सब खाना खाने चले जाते हैं. Most of the people have like you
Are
know,
sitting down.
That doesn't
taking
happen.
photos.
close
People-
relatives
Or
only
it's
sit
like
for the
a-
wedding. Distant relatives have like gone to
Yeah.
eat. They're like chit chatting. They're not paying attention to the wedding.
Or
Literally.
like it's a
Yeah.
ramp and then
हमारे में नहीं
there's a ramp and the feras are taken somewhere else.
So
ऐसा भी होता
for
है.
us, it's like that.
बट मैंने
it's-
मूवीज में तो यही देखा है कि सब आसपास ही होता
नहीं
है.
नहीं
नहीं.
अभी मेरी भाई की भी शादी जब हुई थी तब like भाभी's family was here, like my brothers, we were all here,
हाँ, हाँ.
and all of the other distant like second cousins, second relatives were not on the mandap.
इसके लिए उनको बुलाना ही नहीं होता है.
इसके लिए I want all of them to surround and like it should be like a very
intimate and
any which is going to be very less crowd, so it's not going to be like झुंड बना के चलो scene.
flowers like a fake रहते हैं.
मर जा.
So छोटू सा
I don't know why I said that. And that came out of nowhere. I'm sorry.
I'm scared.
I just came like it was
Please
instinctual.
don't do that to my wedding.
Okay, you want
yeah,
it to
that's
be-
what I want.
Also,
Wow.
like I just thought of this one more like tradition that I would like to have. Like, of course, groom's gonna be present.
Thank
guys.
you.
That was a joke, but I will take dowry.
तुम्हारे में तो होता है ना मेहर.
अपनी मेहर.
तो तुम्हारे में मेहर नहीं
होता है but वो amount छोटा रहता है.
Dahej,
मतलब
you
मेहर
mean?
bro मेहर
No.
हाँ दहेज dowry. I will take one fridge, one car.
From
Okay.
your house, no?
No, he will give
Acha, reverse dowry.
reverse dowry. I will do. हमारे मेहर can be as little as 100
हाँ,
rupees.
I know.
वो उतना नहीं करते हैं.
हाँ, but I heard, I was speaking to Meher only, and she told me कि मतलब आजकल क्या है, instead of gifting the bride and the groom an entire apartment or something, like for example, if the groom is like
In
very
this economy.
yeah,
Exactly.
if they're like very from a very well-to-do family, so they give Dahej ka room. मतलब the brides, like the bride side of the family, will like give the groom ka family like enough money to make the room and
Furnish it.
infrastructure, yeah, for them to live in.
Interesting.
Like that's called Dahej ka room.
No. Ew.
And
That's
I
so
will
ew.
to, I will
weird.
to take Dahej from my parents for me only. हाँ गाड़ी दे दो मैं चलाऊंगी.
I'd rather
designer bags है तो मैं ही use करूंगी.
I'd rather use all of the money like that I've saved from my wedding and do like a fucking phenomenal honeymoon because God knows I need it.
Honeymoon तुम लोग मुझे gift कर सकते हो.
नहीं.
How about no?
No.
How about one bouquet of flowers with
Oh,
mithai?
that's an insult, bro.
So bad. I don't know why people pull up with that.
Yeah. Yeah, no.
We
that's the
already
point.
have
What is the
list.
point?
List से cancel करूंगी यार ऐसा
We
सब
made.
हरकत
How
किया
did
तो.
we make it to her 18th
Wedding
birthday?
crashers.
18th birthday we've made it to, but we've not made it to her wedding.
Yeah.
तो
Imagine.
फूल का गुलदस्ता लगा.
नहीं नहीं चीजें
गुलदस्ता.
गुलदस्ता नहीं चाहिए. हम वो फूल वाले के पास से पेटल्स लेकर आएंगे.
Mala bhai mala.
We'll give a cake.
Cake by the ocean.
We'll give a milk.
No, why milk? Please explain your thought. Okay, because she's lactose intolerant.
Be the
Well,
gift.
people like have dates a year in advance because number one, venues hard to get. Number
Yeah.
two, caterers hard to book. Like your wedding, like what's that called? Decorators.
Yeah,
You have to book them, and they all have to be booked on one day.
To get them to
to
coordinate.
get them to coordinate and like ठीक है अभी मेरे caterer का कुछ और चल रहा है यहाँ पे मेरे flower वाले का कुछ और चल रहा है मेरे carpet वाले का कुछ और चल रहा है मुझे एक ही दिन decide करना है कैसे
Bro, weddings, I've realized is weddings are like an event. It's like a fest. It's literally like
it's
an
a one-day
event.
fest.
yeah.
So I used to always say this like wedding to party है wedding to party. My ex, so when I was very serious with my ex and we used to discuss our wedding and everything, and I used to keep saying this, and then he used to be like, Shrishti, you have to stop calling it a party. It's not cool. And then I've learned it the hard way now that I can't call it a party.
You can't. It's
But
a wedding.
I will still call it.
It's not a party, it's a party shotty.
Yeah, bro.
she
it's
shots
full-
at the party
The only
Anyway.
people at the wedding who think it's a party is the fucking annoying kids.
Oh my god, I feel like hitting them on their head.
yeah man no
And
no kids allowed actually no kids allowed at my wedding
My wedding is going to be a no kids wedding.
Yes.
Same. for
Only
sure.
adults.
I do not want to see. I cannot hear a child when I'm standing there 7 hours on my feet. I don't want to hear a child fall and cry.
Yeah. No, of course
If
not.
you want to fall and stay there.
and
Fall
shut
is-
the fuck up.
Shut up.
Shut up. And do
You
not-
ran, you fall, you fell.
Don't go
Shut
like that in front of me like a fucking fly, okay?
Yeah.
I don't care. Like you might be my niece and my nephew.
Yeah, and then don't be tugging on my fucking lehenga or my dress.
I'm gonna whack you.
Yeah, don't be like, where's the ice cream? Bitch, ask your mom.
And you know when
the fuck?
like parents are like, no, my son is very well behaved. No.
No, he's
Ganta.
not.
Bro, I've
The parents that say this
have the
Have the
most
worst
annoying
child.
kids. Yes.
Yeah.
Remember I sent you all a reel saying this is gonna be my bridesmaid present to you? Where like, so the reel is about, it's like this girl's best friend's wedding and she's held on to like two kids with her hands and like the bride's having a moment, like she's having a fairas and she's getting her pictures taken and she's held two kids like so strong, like you can see them like fighting. They want to get out of that hold. That's gonna be my gift to you all.
please.
Oh my
if
God,
there's a
yes.
kid
Yeah.
at your fucking wedding, I am slapping him or slapping her.
Kidnap him.
Thank you.
Bitch, yes.
I will.
I'll put them in my room.
जूते मत चुरा तू
I
बच्चों को
don't care.
चुरा ले
चुरा ले
अपने
भाई.
कमरे में लॉक करूंगी मैं सड़क पे सो जाऊंगी बाहर.
Yeah, bro.
I don't care.
I'm gonna
but
touch your feet after this.
yes.
Thank you. I needed
That's
that.
gonna be
yeah.
my gift to all my bridesmaids.
Yeah.
To all the brides who I'm gonna be
Yes.
bridesmaids to.
Love.
Yeah.
I love
so,
that.
who's gonna be your maid of honor?
See, I can't decide that. I have.
So you're gonna only have bridesmaids.
Yeah, but then
You have to have a maid of
Maid
honor.
of
right?
I do. I do, but then I can't pick any one. I have 6 best friends. I can't pick between all the 6. I can't have all be maid of honors and then
Fair.
have no bridesmaid.
One thing that I cannot get after in like traditional weddings now is like people are paying people to be social media for their weddings. Did you know this was happening? Like there will be like 2 15-year-old, 17-year-old girls.
You've seen the reel,
Yeah,
right?
I've seen the reel.
Yes.
And they're just shooting on like an iPhone and like they're making wedding reels. Like this is what your wedding content will look like. Random people, not famous.
Yes.
This is why I believe celebrities have completely ruined weddings for all of us, especially when it comes to social media. I don't want. Yes, it's cute when Siddharth Malhotra goes like, it's damn cute.
It's cute when they have the Hassani wala Pandit.
Yeah.
No. Our Pandit is damn funny, dude. Damn funny.
Who?
Like,
Her
हमारे घर पे-
family
अच्छा,
pandit.
Our family Pandit.
Yeah.
Bro, he keeps saying random ass shit. So there was this time when we were doing our Ghar Ka Puja and I was doing the puja. So then my dad had like overhyped because I came back from Singapore and my dad had overhyped. इसको मराठी नहीं आता तो इंग्लिश में बात कर देना. तो then that Pandit was like कि स्वस्तिक बनाने आता है इसको, मतलब इसको सब समझ में आता है. I was like क्या? I know everything. My dad is just overhyping. And then he was like इस पे 3 बार water डालिए. In that full tone, bro, I started
इसमें
laughing.
3 बार water डालिए. That right? मैं तो कभी देखा भी नहीं है, bro. Bro,
Yeah, but
bro, your pandit will be like while you're taking fairas.
go round.
No.
Take
Are you
round.
sure? Are you sure? You still have time, beta.
The last pharaohs left.
Last one.
Bhag ja.
No looking back, beta. इसके बाद ब्रेकअप नहीं, डिवोर्स होगा.
Yeah. But wait, you were saying something about wait, what were you saying before?
SM.
Social media.
Yeah, the
Social media wedding.
And also that has brought up a horrible other trend, which is of hashtags. Oh, I can't do. I can't
hate
do.
wedding
If you
hashtags.
guys fucking come up with a hashtag and you use it, I will kill you. And either like if you guys have one, I'm
Yeah,
not coming.
I
Both
hate
my brothers
that.
had a hashtag. wedding.
Exactly.
I
No.
we have to
Same,
talk
same.
about the neon sign.
No.
Okay,
So
story
I
time,
gotta, I
guys.
gotta tell you
Yeah,
this.
there was this. Yeah, there was this time
Yes.
where we were in the cab heading home, and Ritika was prepping for her brother's wedding, and she's
No,
like,
this is not even about the wedding. This is not how it started. She started by saying, Zia, do you know how they make neon signs? I'm like, do I look like a technician? I don't know how they make them. And she's like, no, do you think it's like a custom mold that they make with glass?
Yeah.
Fair question. Or whether it's like a wire
do
that
they
they
like
fold.
mold it or like how is
Huh,
it made?
How is it made?
And we are like, it's so out of the blue because we're like, hey, why are you asking us this question? And then we realized that she's asking it for her brother's wedding,
yeah.
and she's asking us the most absurd questions. My eyes like twitching right now
Yeah,
because of the
it
fucking
was-
question you asked.
The questions were like, but like, so do they let you keep the thing, or do they like let you
Take
take
it
it?
back.
Like, do they take it back? Because see, if it's a bent wire, then they'll take it back. No, they can reuse it.
But even
then
after
I'm
the wedding, I still don't know if Bhaiya Bhabhi got that neon sign home or the decorator took it with him.
But then you said that no, and I was like, okay, show me a picture of what you mean. And then I'm like, she says, I can't find a picture. She looks at her Instagram for like 10 minutes.
And then because then I was afraid vertigo would kick in, so I couldn't use my phone for a longer time.
Vertigo
One-
vertigo
There
कैसा है
was
बीच में?
motion sickness.
this was a 3-second Google search, which
Yeah.
was just
Yeah.
neon signs. And then I showed it to her, and she's like, yeah, something like that. But it has to be a wedding hashtag. It's like,
Yeah, and then,
but wedding neon sign.
yeah. Literally, that's all she had to type into Google, the search engine.
The big Google, guys.
Yes.
But
The
we also
colourful
had a
one.
long day that day and I was sort of lagging yaar. ठीक है मतलब हो गया.
When
Yeah,
are
no,
you
actually, some other person would also need Sangvi. Ka neon board. Very valid. I would need it actually.
No, it was not Sangvina, it was the
Some
wedding
hashtag.
hashtag.
Yeah,
What
some
was the
hashtag.
hashtag?
It was Sanghu Tere. You can't shit on it. My brothers are gonna watch this.
It's not bad. It's cute. Sanghu
Tere.
tere.
Sanghu tere.
Okay, it's not bad. It's not bad. But I'm not a fan of having.
Same.
Me neither. Me neither. I don't want a wedding hashtag of my
It's-
own.
Okay,
It's gonna be-
bring up a random name and we'll make hashtags.
It's gonna be initials for me. Like,
Hashtag
Everywhere.
SQ.
let's come up with a hashtag.
Yeah, let's come. Like, okay, give me a name of a boy.
Karan.
I'm not marrying a
Arjun.
Karan.
Arjun.
You and Arjun? Okay. Surjun.
No, man.
It has to be like a funny thing.
Arjusti.
No.
अरे नाम combine नहीं करना idiot.
Arjun की
Srishti
सृष्टि.
and Arjun.
Yeah.
Wait, you stop thinking out loud first. Srishti and Arjun.
Or Rane and Arjun also, if it's happening.
चूतिया है.
तो ये संगू तेरे क्या था?
Sana Nivesh.
Huh?
Sana Nivesh. Sana S-A Nivesh N. It
आगे
doesn't have to
बढ़ो.
be the entire name.
I think you can't come up with a hashtag in like 2 minutes.
You can't. This is like really. This is the
Tough.
worst part, right? Somebody has put thought in this.
Yeah.
Like truly put thought in.
This was someone's job in the
This
wedding.
was social media manager's job. No,
Oh my
there is
God.
no way there is going to be a social media
The
manager.
photographer
at
is
my
being
wedding.
hired for what?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
This is how your wedding reels will look
So
like.
imagine there's a social media manager जिसके क्लिप में फोटोग्राफर आ रहा है. फोटोग्राफर के क्लिप में ये लोग आ रहे हैं. तो मतलब हम भजिया तल रहे इधर.
मतलब फिर फोटो में आ कौन रहा है? मैं तो हूँ नहीं.
I don't get the idea of this.
वेडिंग एल्बम और मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे फोटोग्राफर और सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर का पिक्चर होगा.
Actually, stage में भी फोटोग्राफर और सोशल मीडिया वाले की
शादी हो
शादी
रही है.
चल रही है.
हैशटैग संगू तेरे.
Okay, guys. So one last point that I wanted to touch on, which is like very like I've given a lot of thought to this,
Okay.
is how different it is to be a bride than to be a groom. You know,
Of course.
Yes.
because I have had like because I had my brother get married, and at that time it was all fun, and this has a lot to do with gender roles. Obviously,
Obviously.
Indian gender roles in the Indian context. ऐसा ही होता है. क्या करें? We can actually make
Bring
a
a
deep
change.
dive
Uh-huh.
on it in another episode on what it is. But like being the sister of a bride is such an intimate feeling, as I said earlier as well. One of the most beautiful weddings I've been to, and I am somebody that lives for a city wedding. One of the most beautiful ones I've been to was my sister's, and it was in the village.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
And it was so intimate and it was so nice. It was extremely sad. I
Yes.
still sometimes think about it and I cry. And like, so she didn't have any makeup artist. She didn't have any sort of like designer, nothing. It was home food for all days. Even just the last day, there's this one dish that's called shikori pulao. The shikori is like a gosh ka masala and pulao is like pulao. So when you mix a little bit of shikori with pulao, it kind of tastes like biryani.
Okay.
But I hate it. Because I don't like mutton.
Okay.
And yeah, and it was so intimate to the point that I did her makeup.
Oh.
Yeah, you have to believe me when I say this. You know, we woke up at 5:30. I went to her
Right.
place. We were in a hotel, and she was going through so many emotions.
Yeah.
And she has only brothers. She has 3 elder brothers, and they are never like. They're not very affectionate or anything. But you know, when she had to sign the papers and everything, they came and said, I was getting her dressed in this time. And you know, one of her brothers was like, Chalo, lekar chalo. And I was like, I had like tears in my eyes. Because that was like genuinely felt like it came from the heart. And you know, as she was going in the car, also, we had to walk her out, and her dad was walking her out, and I was behind her. I was like basically her bridesmaid.
Got
Okay.
it.
Sorry,
Her
I was
maid of
basically her maid of honor. So I was like behind her all the time. And I'm so glad I got to have that experience with
Right.
her, because as she was leaving, like the only thing I could think about was that Razi song, because that's the house that she grew up in, the house that she learned how to walk in. And then, you know, now she has to leave, and her leaving was in a real, like, in a very real sense, because her and her family, they are quite like traditionalist.
Orthodox.
They're very traditionalist, and they follow the set rules, and you know, when a woman gets married, she has entered the other house. It's like that.
Okay.
So I knew that my relation with her, like her just like upping and coming to my house for months on end, will never happen again. Her leaving this house, like when her father is holding her hand, taking her down those steps, that's the last time that he's doing.
Aw.
And it still makes me cry, you know. It's still
Right.
like so, because I know it's gonna happen with my sisters too one day.
Yeah.
And it's just so emotional. It always gets me emotional. And
Right.
it was 2022, man. It's been how many years?
Almost.
Almost
3
3.
years.
3 years. She has a baby now.
That also reminds me, like when like जब हमारे में कन्यादान होता है तब it's like a proper ritual, like you know, like लड़के के हाथ में लड़की का हाथ देते हैं, and the
Yeah.
mother and the father of the bride do like this ceremony and everything. And I remember sitting with my sister and my bhabhi, and of course my bhabhi is very emotional, like उनका कन्यादान होने वाला है, of course, like her entire family was like in tears and everything, and I could only imagine doing, like, being on that side when my sister is about to get married, and then like
Yeah.
mom and dad will do that with her, and I couldn't hold it in, like
Yeah.
it's not even
Yeah.
the moment, like of course the moment is very emotional, but like more than that is, मतलब उसकी शादी को अभी टाइम है, ऐसा भी नहीं है कि उसकी शादी की घर पे बात चल रही है, it's in the future for now, but like just imagining us, like me, mama, papa and didi, just the 4 of us specifically in that moment where
Hmm.
didi ka kanyadan ho raha hai, and you know all the rituals are happening.
All
I
the kiki
bawled
goes
my eyes
away
out.
in that moment.
feel
I
like
bawled my eyes
as
out.
as fun as weddings are, what comes after is marriage, which
Right.
is like the real deal, bro. Like
Hmm.
wedding is like the honeymoon, and then your marriage is like, I don't mean to sound very like,
No,
oh,
but
it's
you
two
make
different
sense.
things,
But
but
that
then
makes a lot of
that's
sense.
the reality.
the reality.
Yeah.
Fair.
So, in our family, like when it was my elder cousin's wedding, he was the groom, and his wife, when you know she was done with all the rituals and she was coming to our house, that's when so I was my brother's karavli. Karavli is like maid of honor.
Yeah.
again.
Right.
Okay.
So I was his karavli, so I had to stay till the very end and everything. And then I saw, and because I waited, Adi also wanted to wait. And this is like 5-6 years back when I was what, 15 or 16 something.
Yeah.
And Adi was around 6 years
7,
younger to
6,
me.
7.
7, 8. That's when we saw, like, Adi and I was just sitting in the car, and we saw her and her brother like crying and bawling her eyes out. And Adi just looks at me like, Didi, tu pan jana na. And I was so emotional. And then I asked him, will you cry? He was like, मैं बाकी कोई चीज पे नहीं रोऊंगा, पर तू जाएगी तो बहुत रोऊंगा.
Cut to him not crying when you left for Singapore.
Yeah.
He cried when he went home.
हाँ, that though. हमारे साथ नहीं
But you
हुआ।
had a bet with him, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
he just didn't want to cry when mom was crying. He's
Fair,
very
fair.
strong like that. But हम लोग के यहाँ पे, like, after the wedding night, we know that the bride is very emotional.
Right.
So
Yeah.
the next day has to be like, you have to like make her feel
It's
good
like a
and
happy day the
everything.
next day.
You have to make her feel good and everything. So then morning mein we have these rituals, okay? So there is this one beautiful ritual. It's like पानी का घंगाल होता है, उसमें सारे rose petals होते हैं,
हाँ.
दूध होता है
और ring
और रिंग
डालते हैं.
डालते हैं, तो रिंग ढूंढना होता
Damn
है.
cute, man.
फिर
I
एक-
love that
फिर
ritual.
एक लौंग होता है,
Okay.
एक लौंग
I've
होती है.
seen that.
Yeah.
Oh, what's that? I've
So
not heard of
I'll
that.
tell you. So the groom will hold one side
Oh,
of
I've
the
seen that
log
on reels.
in
Yes.
his mouth, and the bride has to like
Take-
snatch it away
snatch it.
from him.
With her
Just
mouth,
get a
right?
room, bro.
With her
With her
mouth.
mouth,
I've
without
seen that.
using her
I've seen
hands.
that. That's damn
That's
cute.
damn cute, man.
It
That's very
reminds me
cute.
of that one scene from that I think old movie. I think who was Mr. India?
Kapoor.
Kapoor.
Anil
Anil
Kapoor.
Kapoor.
Anil Kapoor movie
Hmm.
where he has 2 wives or something. One wife is like very
Yeah, yeah,
traditional
yeah.
and she's like putting sindoor, okay?
Hmm.
And the other wife is like, whatever. Well, I don't know. I think it was his mistress.
अरे नहीं
then-
वो अपने पति को बेच देती है उर्मिला मातोंडकर को श्रीदेवी.
हाँ
अरे
जो भी है,
हाँ,
that
वो
was that
scene में
movie.
वो scene में उसने सिंदूर लगाया, fresh सिंदूर था,
हाँ.
and the other one refused to put tika on him.
Hmm.
So she put his head back, and then she put her head on his head. With her sindoor has given him tika.
That's peak Bollywood, bro.
Get
Nobody
that
is doing
clip.
that.
Insert
That's
that
love.
clip.
That
Insert that
is
clip.
love right there.
Yeah.
That's peak Bollywood. मतलब ये करके ये कर दे मैं. तेरा योगा क्यों कर रही है?
Aerobics हुआ है वहाँ पे. Gymnast है दोनों.
नहीं तो चाकू से अपना ये कर देती और ऐसे टीका लगा देती.
That would
Simba
be
है क्या?
real.
That
Simba from Mufasa, not Ranveer Singh. Mufasa Simba. Anyway, that was fun.
Cute. I like.
I can't wait to get married.
I can't wait for y'all to get married.
Yeah, I can't
Actually, yeah. You know what? I
I
can't,
can't
wait,
wait
for
to participate and be a part of a nice
I
wedding.
know
Big
I'm
fat
gonna
wedding.
be so
Yeah.
emotional. When
Of course,
the
bro,
first
like,
wedding especially is gonna hit.
Oh,
Like, I feel whoever gets married first, which is of course Srishti, we're all gonna be bawling. And rather than the fourth person's getting married, I'm like, अरे भाई चल यार. चल
तुम्हारे
यार.
बच्चे हो गए होंगे, तुम अपने बच्चों को पकड़ रहे होंगे.
बच्चे अलाउड नहीं है.
हाँ.
अलाउड नहीं है घर पे. जो करना है घर पे कर.
Yes.
हस्बैंड बच्चे घर पे छोड़ के.
हाँ, real भाई. I just need y'all the wedding.
Yeah, so
But yeah, that's about it, guys, for today's episode. Yeah, if y'all have stayed up until now, don't forget to put the family
ring emoji.
no.
The ring emoji.
The ring emoji.
Ring and flower bouquet emoji.
Ring and flower
bouquet.
We like that.
We like that.
And yeah, don't forget to share this with people you plan on getting married to. Dare. Send it to them. Or if you want to attend someone's wedding. Or
Just
Send
Yeah,
this
just
as
send
a
it.
please invite me.
yes. Send this
Yeah.
as a wedding invitation. Best. But yeah, don't forget to hit the like button, comment these emojis, and also don't forget to subscribe to this video. Subscribe to our channel.
subscribe to this video.
And like our channel.
Yes.
And if you're watching this or if you're listening to this on any audio streaming platform like Spotify or Apple Podcast, give us a nice rating, 5 stars, please. I'm begging.
Begging.
दहेज
if you-
दहेज में दे दो.
Dahej mein de do. If you hit that 5 button, I will invite you to my wedding.
Done.
मैं ऐसा कुछ नहीं बोलूंगी but please if you're watching us on Instagram make sure you follow us over there, like our reels, make sure you comment on them, tag the people you want to get married with or tag the people you want to attend your wedding.
Tag that
anyhow.
couple that should break up.
No, dude. Tag or name drop people you don't want at the wedding.
Oh my god.
Oh yes.
Y'all should also comment or like do a DM. No, not DM. Just comment like a cool hashtag.
Yeah.
yes.
Oh
Right?
yeah. Give
Do
a
that.
good, the best Besharam hashtag gets a pin.
Yes.
Yes.
With like all of our names, Ritika, Sanjana, Srishti and Zia.
Yeah,
हम
yes.
स्टार्ट में भी बोलते हैं हर वीडियो के देख लिया करो.
Wow.
Channeling.
Shadi, 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 shadi.
Yeah. I was like, you're channeling Shahida.
Well, that's all for today.
Until next time, stay Besharam. Bye.